The following is about the Air Conditioning and Refrigeration program at Oklahoma State University Institute of Technology. Imagine moving a 13,000-pound heating and air conditioning unit on a bed of air. Imagine troubleshooting climate control problems for an entire building with a few keystrokes on your laptop. That's the wide range of fascinating opportunities that await you in your career as an air conditioning and refrigeration technician. You know, one of the mainstays of life in this country is keeping buildings comfortable and food cold. So being an ACR technician usually means consistent, constant, quality employment. Starting pay is anywhere from $38,000 to $50,000 a year. Earning an Associate in Applied Science degree on the campus of Oklahoma State University Institute of Technology means you're getting the best education from the most respected, longest-running technical program in the state. Employers agree, this is the place you want to be.
Technically wise, I don't think there's a better school in the country that you can actually get a education associate's degree and get out of here and make the kind of money that you're going to make.
I ran into a lot of technicians that would oversize a motor and then wonder why it failed in 18 months. All that wasted electrical energy at 52%, not all of it goes back to the power company. Some of it goes into the stator where the wires are, because it's extra heat.
Once you've gone through the electrical controls lab, you will understand how components interact and how to fix them right the first time.
With my experience of having graduated in '94, working out in the industry, I found that the foundational skills that I got in this class of a highly intellectual person that can read a book and pretty much just go out there and do it, I still had a 5-year jump on them.
They have a good program here. Yeah, I was guaranteed, you are very guaranteed of getting a job as soon as you leave here.
Indeed, all refrigeration graduates of OSU IT have a job when they graduate. Employment is 100%, and you can work anywhere in the United States, anywhere in the world doing air conditioning, refrigeration, or heating work. These 40-ton heating and air units manufactured by the AON company in Tulsa are being loaded for shipment to a high school in New Jersey. The idea of using a bed of air to move these heavy units is one of the many innovations in progress at AON. These 2 OSU IT graduates and 2 OSU IT interns have been reconditioning 2 heat exchangers that will be used in a research project.
We basically had to start from the ground up on reworking these 2 40-ton units we had. When we got them, they were gutted with no blower assembly or blowers in them. We had to rebuild the blower assembly, put the blowers on and the wheels, line everything up, make sure everything worked fine. The whole reason for this is we need these units. We have a new testing facility that didn't have any cooling at all or heating, wasn't conditioned space. And we have a new product coming out that we need to run a life cycle on. We need these units to cool down the area to keep it down to conditions, which is 75 degrees constantly.
There is air conditioning equipment all over the world. And actually, AON has equipment all over the U.S. We have some in China. I think we've got some in Guam and Hawaii.
There is a huge demand in our industry right now for HVAC technicians, ACR technicians across the world, especially in this part of the country. We have 6 months of air conditioning season here, so people like to stay cool. They're going to stay cool, whether it's commercially or residential.
So, if we use 25 medium, and we had what, R4 insulation, what was our number? Right here. You see it? 11.25.
An Associate in Applied Science degree in air conditioning and refrigeration can be earned in just 2 years and includes a paid internship.
If you like to work with your hands and your mind and modern tools and equipment, this is the career for you. If you enjoy some travel, interacting with people, and getting the satisfaction of repairing a unit or fixing some type of device from control networks, and you know you did it, you fixed it, you're the one responsible for it, it's a good feeling.
You'll start taking basic courses in electrical and mechanical controls. Then you will go through residential, commercial air conditioning, heat pumps, commercial refrigeration, unitary ice machines, and air system design.
In this class, students are learning to interface their air conditioning and refrigeration systems with a computer. Allows us to monitor systems from remote locations. So we're learning how to download programs into a control system We are using digital controls, and those digital controls then can control and monitor the systems.
The automation class in the air conditioning department was not a far cry from what I do day in and day out. You had a main computer, you had the programming that was involved to tie all the electronics together to the computer, and we even did some electrical wiring over there, which is exactly what I do day in and day out.
In the middle of your ACR education, you will have a 16-week paid internship. You will actually go out and work for a contractor. Usually interns earn between $7,000 to $10,000 on their internships.
A lot of technicians are coming out of Votex and our program, going into air conditioning, going into building management systems, more advanced systems and things. But supermarket refrigeration, there's still a big need for it. The product needs to be conditioned 24/7. It doesn't take a Christmas break. And so when a box goes down, there can be literally thousands of dollars of product in just one case. And so, we have to have a technician there within several minutes.
You finish your studies in an energy management system class, which is all computer automated and billing automated systems. The result? You will be a technician ready to go when you're hired and a graduate with a degree that makes you very much in demand. For more information on the Air Conditioning and Refrigeration Technology program at Oklahoma State University Institute of Technology, visit us on the web at osuit.edu or phone at 918-293-4678.